Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video. So today I'm going to make some homemade soap, and I'm going to start by boiling 1 cup of tap water. Next I'm going to take a piece of wax paper and I'm going to work on my wax paper surface, and I'm going to take a bar of ordinary soap. Use something that you like, and a hand cheese grater, and I'm going to use the fine edge of the grater. So I'm using the fine edge of my grater to grate nice fine powder. I want 1 tablespoonful of powder here. Okay, so I have my boiled water. I am going to take a tablespoon of my grated soap, and I am going to take a whisk and whisk that together. I'm working to dissolve all my soap, and then after it's dissolved, I'm just going to let it sit and thicken and cool. Okay, now that my soap is thickened up some, I can put it in a container, so I am just going to pour that with a funnel and there's my soap. So I go ahead and wash my hands.